Comments in Python programming language. Hi, welcome to this lesson. Comments is very important. They describe what is going on inside a program, and also they make your code readable to anyone. Comments are used for programmers or human readability only to better understand a program, and the Python interpreter ignores comments. And you can say that comments only for reading, but the program doesn't implement comments. In Python programming language, we use the hash symbol to start writing a comment. And there are two types of comments in Python programming language. Single line comments, like in this example, print out hi. And you can see that Python interpreter ignores this comment. And the second type of comments is multi-line comments. And you can write multi-line comments like in this example. Also, there is another method to create multi-line comments by using docstrings. But this method in this case using the hash symbol is preferred. That's all for this lesson. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again next lesson.